Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about how your business can benefit from Slack. Let's get started. Slack can help grow your business and increase your productivity as you keep your teams connected through the use of this communication tool. You can coordinate with your team in one place. Your company might use different applications for instant messaging, video conference calls, or file sharing. When you use Slack, you don't have to worry about accessing different apps to perform different activities with your team. You can use Slack to coordinate with your team, start a call, or share files. Next, create channels within the community. You can create a room or a channel dedicated to a specific purpose, project, team, or agenda. It can be set to private, public, shared, or multi-workspace. It makes it easier to collaborate with your team in real time. You can also include your client in the channel so that you can collaborate faster using videos and sharing files. Next, it can replace email messaging for your team. Your email messages can be missed out on by your employees, team, or clients. As the email messages received by people grow, the important email messages that you'll send might get lost among the sea of emails. Slack can make it faster to get in touch with the people that you want to communicate with instead of sending emails. Next, access Slack anywhere. Whether you're away from your computer or out in a meeting, you can still access your account in Slack. This avoids missing out on the important messages exchanged with your team. You'll get notified on your mobile device to view all the messages that you've received in your current project or channels. Next, integrate the services that your company is currently using. If you use applications such as Google Drive, Dropbox, or GitHub to organize your projects, you can easily integrate those existing apps into your Slack account. You can take advantage of the free Slack plan, which allows you to integrate up to 10 apps on your Slack account. Next, share different files with your team. You can drag and drop any file from your computer, such as Word documents, Google Documents, PDF files, JPEG files, or video files. Next, start audio or video calls. If you need to explain certain projects with your team, you can start an audio call, and this makes it easier rather than typing all your explanation in your channel. You can also use the video call to start an online meeting with a team. Next, invite people using your invitation link. During your Slack sign-up, you have the option to invite people using their email addresses. You might also notice the invitation link that you can use to send to your team so that they can be added to your channel. Slack is great to incorporate into your business, especially if you don't have the budget to purchase apps with additional features that you can find as you use other apps. It is useful, especially if you have teams that work remotely. Also, you can invite your clients to be part of your channel so that they can be updated with the progress of your work, or if they have inquiries, they can easily communicate with you in that channel in real time. We have a marketing app that allows you to track ads from your competitors. Adplify gives you 7 popular SaaS tools for total Facebook ads domination. With Page Ad Watcher, you can track ads from your competitors. With Hidden Insights and Audiences Finder, you can find high-profit audiences that Facebook Ad Manager hides from you. Boost your conversions with behavioral retargeting. With Page Targeter, you can get the audiences and the strategies of top businesses in your niche. With Email List to Audience, you can turn every lead into a buyer with Instant List to Facebook retargeting. With Ad Decorator, you can make people stop scrolling every time they see your ad. With ROI Calculator, scale your ads' profitability without paying first. Try Adplify now. Go to getadplify.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.